So I wanted to talk to you about resting state. What are you doing when you're resting? It tells you what your life is going to be overall. In my resting state, I'm actually playing with Photoshop and I'm kind of working. And seems a little odd, but I'll tell you what. That's the cumulative element. The one that you do naturally, the one that you do passively. If in your resting state you're always messing around or gazing into the distance, that's the cumulative element. Your life will build up that much slower. The person who runs at a snail's pace can outlast the person who runs 100 meters. At first, it'll look like such a vast gap between them. But I'll tell you what, that 100 meters person is going to start feeling it at about 100 meters. And the person who's running much slower, maybe at a 400 meter pace or 800 meter pace, will be able to surpass that one because he's gassing out. Like there's a constancy of energy and it makes you go further. So then remember that you've got like 80 years if you're lucky on Earth. And essentially your resting state, like what are you doing when you're at rest? If you're on your phone messaging business guys and then that's like your natural rest habit, right? And you need to cultivate a like resting habit, by the way. It's not like that naturally when you're resting, so on and so forth. But if you cultivate it, if you just sort of like cut the feather, like not cut the feathers, but then prune it into being such that your resting state is productive, then you'll be able to take the world passively, and that's the idea.